Welcome to the Health Collective, where we dive deep into the world of wellness and explore how different cultures prioritize health and longevity. On this platform, we aim to delve into the health secrets of various cultures, unraveling the lifestyle habits that contribute to their health and well-being. We draw insights from around the globe, celebrating the diversity of wellness practices and bringing you the very best of health knowledge and advice. Today, we embark on an exciting journey to the land of the rising sun, Japan. Renowned for its longevity and lower rates of lifestyle diseases, Japan offers a unique perspective on health and wellness. From its dietary habits to its active lifestyle and mindful practices, we will explore why Japan ranks among the healthiest countries in the world. So, pull up a chair, grab your favorite healthy snack, and join us on this enlightening journey. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets of Japan's health and longevity. Japan, a country renowned for its health statistics. It's not a coincidence, but a result of a culture deeply rooted in healthy practices. Japan, often hailed as one of the healthiest nations on Earth, boasts some truly impressive statistics. For starters, it holds the prestigious title of having the highest life expectancy in the world. According to the World Health Organization, as of 2023, the average Japanese person can expect to live into their mid-80s, outliving their counterparts in the United States by almost 5 years. But it's not just about longevity. It's about the quality of those years, too. Japan also has one of the lowest obesity rates among developed nations. The Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development reports that less than 4% of the population is classified as obese. Compare that to the United States, where the obesity rate is a staggering 36%. Another noteworthy fact about Japan's health profile is its low infant mortality rate. Japan's meticulous attention to prenatal and postnatal care, as well as its comprehensive immunization programs, have resulted in it having one of the lowest infant mortality rates in the world. But it's not all rosy. Japan also faces its own health challenges, like a high rate of stomach cancer, which is attributed to the traditional diet high in salt. However, even with these challenges, Japan's overall health statistics remain enviable, a testament to the effectiveness of their health-conscious lifestyle. What's even more fascinating is that these impressive health statistics aren't due to an over-reliance on modern medicine. Instead, they reflect a holistic approach to health, encompassing diet, physical activity, and mindfulness, underpinned by a strong healthcare system. Clearly, Japan is doing something right when it comes to health. But what exactly are they doing? Well, stay tuned as we delve deeper into the secrets of Japan's health success in the upcoming segments. From their dietary practices to their active lifestyles and mindful practices, we'll explore how this island nation has managed to create a culture of health that is both sustainable and effective. Food plays a pivotal role in Japan's health success story. The typical Japanese diet is a symphony of flavors, textures, and beneficial nutrients. It's a well-orchestrated blend of tradition and health that has been perfected over centuries. At the heart of this diet is the consumption of fish. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fish is a source of high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients help in reducing heart diseases, improving mental health, and contributing to a healthy weight. Seaweed, another vital component of the Japanese diet, is a superfood in its own right. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. It's also a natural source of iodine, which is crucial for a healthy thyroid function. Fermented foods like miso and natto are also a staple in the Japanese diet. These foods are not just flavor enhancers, but they're also rich in probiotics. These friendly bacteria aid in digestion, boost immunity, and even enhance mood. And of course, we can't forget about green tea. The Japanese have a long-standing love affair with this antioxidant-rich beverage. Green tea is associated with numerous health benefits, including weight loss, improved brain function, and a lower risk of heart disease. But it's not just about what the Japanese eat, it's also about how they eat. The Japanese practice of hara-hachi-bu encourages eating until you're 80% full. This mindful eating practice helps in maintaining a healthy weight and promotes longevity. They also believe in the concept of ishoku sokuhin, which translates to one food, one dish. This encourages eating a variety of foods in moderation, ensuring a well-rounded intake of nutrients. The Japanese diet is not just a list of foods, it's a lifestyle. It's a way of eating that values balance, variety, and moderation, It's a testament to the power of food as medicine and the importance of making mindful choices. As we delve deeper into the secrets of Japan's health, we see that it's not just about genetics or healthcare. It's also about making conscious, healthy choices every day, starting with what's on our plates. The Japanese diet is a testament to the saying, "You are what you eat." Beyond diet, physical activity is a significant part of the Japanese lifestyle. The Japanese have long recognized the importance of staying active, with traditions deeply rooted in movement and physicality. Imagine a country where walking and cycling are not just recreational activities, but a way of life. In Japan, these aren't mere hobbies. They're ingrained into the daily routine. Many Japanese commute to work, school, or run errands on foot or by bike. This constant movement promotes cardiovascular health, aids in weight management, and serves as a natural stress reliever. But the Japanese commitment to an active lifestyle doesn't stop there. Regular exercise is also an integral part of their culture. Many Japanese engage in outdoor exercises like Tai Chi and yoga, often in community parks or gardens. These practices, originating from ancient traditions, are more than just physical workouts. They are holistic approaches to wellness, combining physical activity with mental discipline and deep breathing, which helps to reduce stress, improve flexibility, and enhance overall well-being. Tai Chi, for instance, is a low-impact exercise that nurtures the body's vitality while calming the mind. It improves balance, agility, strength, and coordination. Yoga, on the other hand, offers a range of benefits from improving posture and flexibility to promoting relaxation and stress relief. These activities, along with the tradition of walking and cycling, contribute significantly to the impressive health statistics we see in Japan. They help to keep the heart healthy, the body flexible, and the mind sharp, fostering a sense of balance and well-being that permeates every aspect of life. So, it's not just about the food. The secret to the Japanese's health and longevity may well lie in their active lifestyle. It's a testament to the power of regular, moderate physical activity and its far-reaching benefits. Movement, it seems, is a non-negotiable part of life in Japan. But health in Japan goes beyond just diet and exercise. Japan's secret to longevity doesn't stop at their plates or their active lifestyle. It also lies within their mindful practices that are deeply rooted in their culture. It's all about finding balance, harmony, and a sense of calm in one's life, and there's a lot we can learn from them. Let's take a look at meditation, for instance. It's a practice that's been a part of Japanese culture for centuries. The Japanese have a unique form of meditation known as Zazen, a Zen Buddhist practice that literally translates to seated meditation. Zazen encourages individuals to disconnect from the chaos and noise of the world and to reconnect with themselves, promoting clarity, peace of mind, and a heightened sense of awareness. It's not just about sitting quietly, but about being present in the moment, which has been linked to improved mental health and stress reduction. Another mindful practice that has gained global attention is Shinrin-yoku, or forest bathing. The Japanese Ministry of Agriculture, Forestry, and Fisheries coined the term in the early 80s, and it's exactly as it sounds, immersing oneself in the forest. It's not about hiking or exercising, but about simply being in nature, breathing in the forest air, and soaking in the atmosphere. Studies have shown that forest bathing can lower heart rate, blood pressure, and stress hormone production, while boosting the immune system and overall feelings of well-being. These mindful practices, along with others like tea ceremonies and calligraphy, are all about slowing down, focusing on the present, and nurturing a deep connection with oneself and the world around them. They are an integral part of Japanese culture and a testament to their holistic approach to health. In Japan, health truly is a holistic endeavor. From diet to physical activity to mindfulness, Japan's approach to health is both comprehensive and effective. We've seen how the traditional Japanese diet, rich in fish, vegetables, and fermented foods, contributes to a healthy lifestyle. We've discussed the active lifestyle of the Japanese people, who incorporate physical activity into their daily routines, whether that's walking, biking, or partaking in group exercises. We've also touched on the mindfulness practices that are deeply ingrained in Japanese culture, promoting mental and emotional well-being. These practices, combined with a healthcare system that prioritizes preventive care, are key reasons why Japan boasts some of the highest life expectancies in the world. They show us that health is not just about diet or exercise alone, but a holistic approach that encompasses all aspects of life. Before we go, Don't forget to subscribe to the Health Collective for more insights into health practices from around the world. Stay healthy,